full name is Puli Sai Teja. I have completed my Masters in Computer Application from Lovely Professional University, 2024. I have completed. During my academics, I started with learning programming language like C++, next Java, then JavaScript, and there I have tested the software testing. At the end of my semester, I want to go into the testing side. So I searched in the Google Maps where I find StarAgile. So there I see in the reviews, so which was very good and ratings they are very good. And I connected with the StarAgile operations team, 6 months training. I have learned various tools, API, Postman, Rest Assured, and extra tools I have also learned from them. And the DevOps is properly structured because if you search in DevOps in YouTube, we can find a lot of videos, but they are not proper order way. But in StarAgile, it is very useful and very proper way, easy to understand. So it is very good, and I learned all this concept. And the interview process is very good because if we pass that interview, I think anyone can get the job. So interview process is also very good because only people who knows logical and development along the testing can able to crack that interview. It is more than a real company interview, that mock interview. And after that, I attended the Living Things interview, and then I have answered all the questions from what I have learned from StarAgile. So where I cracked logical questions, testing, and few others, manual and automation both. So then I got placed with 6 months internship period. Yeah. So this is my journey of StarAgile. Before joining course, I know these technologies. What manual testing I know, TestNG I know, Selenium I know, JMeter I know, Cucumber I know, Rest Assured, Postman I don't know. So these I already know, most of them. So after joining this course, after learning everything, so what I understood is how to use them in real life. I got them. Before joining, I can do this in my local mission. But after completion of course, I can understand how it will work in real life culture, in real company. How we need to set up everything and where we have to work. Like Git and GitHub, DevOps, Jenkins. So these are the real tools we are going to implement in the company when we start. So these changed a bit to me, and that helped me a lot. I suggest to take the StarAgile course and start attending everyday session. Yeah, it's good.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the StarAgile website. Check out the link in the description.